My name is Todd Flanders. I'd like to demonstrate a API that I've written. It's a Rust JSON API for gamification of serious applications. This is a very early release of a tutorial that I built around this new API. It's badly in need of redesign, but I'm inspired by the words of gamification expert Yukai Chow, who said, you suck, but you're good enough. This isn't a sales pitch. I just want to gather some input that could potentially shape the future of this project. This API is a Rust JSON service. It allows you to add gamification and badges in particular to serious systems. By having badges and gamification rules in a separate web service, you can gamify an existing system with minimal intrusion to the existing code. To implement this API, you'll need some user interface design to add notifications to your application and your users' complete accomplishments. And you'll also need a way to push user events from your application to the Game App service. Why would you want to gamify a serious application? Gamification is a way to encourage positive behavior in your users. If the focus of your serious application is productivity, for example, you may want to create game rules around the use of keyboard shortcuts. If your application focuses on learning, you might want to create game rules around good study habits such as starting early, skimming and repeating the lesson, and so forth. As I've said earlier, this tutorial is in early stages and is badly in need of redesign. I've stubbed an area for a navigation menu here and content that currently doesn't do too much. I do support some authentication, which you will need for completing this introduction to the Game App API tutorial. Currently, I only support Facebook authentication, and I want to get your email address in order to do a push to Mozilla for their Mozilla Open Badges project. Currently, the push to Mozilla isn't all the way wired, so I actually don't recommend that you log in with Facebook at this time because you can access every piece of functionality that's currently coded as an anonymous user. But I'm going to go ahead and log in just so that you can see that. Okay, I'm in as myself. And the only piece of functionality supported by this tutorial is exploring game concepts, so that's what we're going to do right now.